Guys, this is my 52 rank SMC Emperor ceiling fan. I set the reverse switch to reverse, so it works on reverse. The light. 2 LEDs and 2 CFLs are in it. You can see. Turn it off. Start off low. There's a pretty good airflow on forward. Medium. And I had to use one of the bladed motor screws from the Park Avenue. So I had to use one of the screws from the fan since I lost the last screw. There is high. Look, it goes a little faster and high. I'm reversing forward. I don't know why. Wobble slow. Spin down. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.